In this video, we are diving into something unusual. What really happens when coffee meets shea butter? And a secret ingredient you'll discover soon. And when those are mixed and applied on the skin, you won't believe what this does to your body. It gently buffs away dullness, melts into your skin like silk, and leaves behind the kind of glow no store-bought scrub can match. So get ready, this is about to change your self-care game. Let's start with this simple recipe. First, take 12 grams of coffee powder. It gently scrubs away dead skin and makes your skin feel fresh and smooth. Next, add 35 grams of shea butter for deep moisturization. Then we have almond oil. It adds extra nourishment. Now, here's the secret ingredient, honey. It makes the scrub more gentle, helps hydrate the skin, and leaves it glowing. Now, let's get it all mixed. Stir everything really well until it turns into a thick, creamy scrub. Look at this texture right now, so creamy and rich. Since it's ready, let me show you how it works. Take some amount of the scrub and apply in circular motions. Please keep massaging for 2 to 3 minutes until the butter has melted in properly. When the massage is complete, you will notice a polished look. And friends, here's the result. Smooth, soft, and naturally glowing skin. It feels fresh, polished, and completely nourished. You can notice the difference clearly. One side feels baby soft and the other still dry. One side looks patchy and dry. Other side still looks fresh and nourished. Try this coffee scrub and feel the difference yourself. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.